Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll be focusing on how to integrate Marquiz, which is a survey and lead generation tool, with a project management application that is Trello. So by doing so, you will be able to stay on the top of your leads whenever you are going to generate a lead from Marquiz. So this will save your time and your manual efforts by transferring the leads data as a Trello card automatically. So guys, you can set up this automation without any coding super easily. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned. Let's get started. To set up the workflow of this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And you can reach here from the link given in the description. From here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. So guys, sign up right now. And after that, you can sign in to reach the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So guys, I have given this name. Okay, now click on create button and your workflow page will start loading up like this. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of the automation, that is the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts any workflow, and the actions are the automated responses of the trigger. So there can be many actions, automated actions for a particular trigger. In our use case, guys, we are getting leads from Marquiz or Marquiz application, and the action towards that trigger would be to add a card in Trello. Okay, so here when you click on this trigger window, it will ask to choose the trigger application. So here you have to search for Marquiz. Okay, then select the trigger event as new leads. Alright, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to create a connection with Marquiz application by following these steps written here. So guys, you need to open the quiz editor page inside Marquiz application and then click on integrations. Let me show you. This is my Marquiz dashboard and this is a survey form I have created. From here, click on this edit button. Okay, this is the editor of this form. From the left hand side panel, you can see this integrations tab. Click on it, and from here scroll down to find this webhooks option. Click on webhooks, and here click on this add webhook button. Okay, so these are the old webhook connections. You can delete them and click on add webhook, and here you have to paste this webhook URL. Just copy it and paste it here. Okay, and after that close this and then click on publish. Okay, so the survey form is published. Now here you can see, guys, as you have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the response of this connection that you have created. This means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to manually fill the survey form I have created, and I'm going to fill it with some random dummy details, and I'm going to submit the form, and the data of that person who is submitting the form will be captured here in this response section. Okay, let me show you. I'm going back to the survey form I have created. Okay, and from here you can open this link of the form. So this is the form, and here I'm clicking on start quiz option, and here it is asking where do you want your carpet, so you can select any option. Okay, right, this is a pro tip, I think. Click on next, and here's it is asking for the size of the carpet that you need, so you can select any option. What carpet material, new generation. Okay, your budget. Okay, let me see the budget details. Let be the budget is this, and here you can select the design. Okay, agree for the professional option, and here finally you have to fill in the details of any test lead. So I'm putting the name of the lead is test lead only. First name is test, last name is lead. Here I'm going to fill the dummy email address as well and a dummy number as well. So guys, I have filled the phone number and other things, and here I'm clicking on this send again button. Okay, and here you can see the survey is completed. Now let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form submission. And here you can see guys, we have received the data in this response section, and here you can see we have received the quiz name. The quiz name was 5 questions to select your carpet. Here when you scroll down, you will see the language settings, the currency details, and here you can see the responses I have filled. The contact number is here, contact name, test lead is here, the email address is here. Okay, and these are the answers of all the questions asked in the survey. Now I got the lead from the survey form, and I want to create a card for this lead in Trello. For that to happen, just use the section step and here search for Trello and use the action event as create a card. So in a board, so I'm selecting create a card with plain text. Okay, then click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and to connect with Trello you need to fill the username of your Trello account, the API key, and the token. So guys, to get the Trello's username, just open your Trello accounts dashboard. This is it, and from here, from the top right corner, open the profile icon. From here click on profile and visibility. Here you will find the username. Just copy the username, paste it here. And for these two things, you can just use this link, click on here word. If you are logged in Trello account, just click on this here word and you will reach the developer section of Trello. From here, you can just copy this API key first, paste it here, and to generate a token, just scroll down and click on this token link, generate a token link. Okay. From here, you have to provide access to your Trello server. So just scroll down, you can read all the things, server details, and from here click on allow to give the access to your Trello servers and boards. From here just copy this token and paste the token key here, and then click on save and you will be connected with Trello account. Okay, right, and then here it will ask to choose the board in which you want to create the card. So let me show you my Trello boards. These are my Trello boards, and here I am using this one named as daily tasks and reports. Okay, here I want to create a card in these lists. So first of all, let me select the board name, that is daily tasks and reports. Then it will ask to select the list ID in which you want to create a card. So I am going to select the list as working on. Okay, this one. That means this list. Okay. And here I'm going to give the name of the card as new lead. I'm going to fill it manually. New lead from Marquiz survey, so that it will be clear from where the data is coming. In the description, I'm going to write the details of the lead are as follows. Okay, and I'm going to put an enter, and here I'm going to map the details I have received from the trigger step. Okay, so what the details I want to add in the card? First of all, the name of the lead, email address of the lead, and the phone number, and the most important thing from the survey is the budgetary slab that it has selected. So I'm just going to write here budget of the customer or the lead, budget of lead. So these are the important things we need to have whenever we generate a lead. So guys, you can see as I'm clicking here anywhere in this field, the previous step is appearing here in the drop down, and from here when you click, you can see all the data that you have received in the first step in the trigger. So from here only, just click here in front of the name field, name word, and from this response of the trigger, just map the name by clicking on it like this. Similarly, map the email address, the phone number. Here is the phone number, and the budget of the lead, you will find it in the budget. What is the budget? Okay, I want the answer actually. Here you can see the answer of the budget starting from $15,000. Okay, so these are the details I want to send every time I got a new lead from the survey form. If you want to add more details, you can map all the details inside the same description. You can set the positioning of the card. If you want to create a card in the top of the list or bottom of the list, you can select it from here. I'm selecting top option. If you have any members in the board, you can list the member IDs here. If you want this card should be completed in a certain date, you can put the date here. In the URL source, you can enter the link of the form as well. So this is my form and this is the link. I'm going to just copy this form link here and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Now you can check your connection with Trello by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and a new card will be created here inside in this working on list. Let me just click here on Save and Send Test Request button. And this is the response I have received. You can see. Let us check in Trello's board if I got a new card. And here you can see I got a new card created. It is showing new lead from Marquiz survey. And when you open it, you can see the details of the leads and the link I have attached. All the things are here which I have mapped in the fields here in the workflow. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, whenever you are going to get a new lead captured from this survey form, you will get the lead details and the card created automatically in Trello. So guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description as well, so that you can clone this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.